The New Brunswick Community College will start processing its applications for the September 2023 intake by June 1st, 2022. So everyone who is watching, who aspire to be an international student at the NBCC, this video is for you. The first step is for you to pick your program. And upon picking your program, you have to be sure and ensured that the program you pick is available for international students, because there are courses that are only available to local students. Upon picking the correct program, be ensured that there is there are available seats for international students, because if there is none, and then you will go to the waiting list. As much as possible, really, you do not want to go to the waiting list. And if you have a preferred program that does not put you in the waiting list, then that would be a better option for you. Another tip is that if you are an applicant with extensive credentials or working experience, you have got more advantage if you pick a program that is specialized or is advanced, because in this case, the college will see you as truly someone who looks forward to improve his credentials. The next tip to aspiring international students to NBCC, or even not at NBCC, even in Atlantic Canada in general, is that if you are a bachelor's degree holder, you have to consider that the course or the program that you will take is not a downgrade from the current degree that you are already holding. The entire idea of studying internationally or in Canada is really to improve your credentials. Now, if the course that you will take is a downgrade from the current credentials you have or the degree that you already have, then that may become questionable. That is one. And the second one is that if the course that you will take is redundant already from the bachelor's degree that you have already taken. And in this case, you will certainly have to check the curriculum of the program. And the last step that I'd like to share when it comes to picking a program is that first qualified, first admitted application. So if you are qualified and you are one of the first people to apply, then you become a priority. You have to submit your official high school, college, or university transcripts or further documentation for admission to certain programs. Transcripts must be translated into English. Another admission requirement is the proof of language requirements. This could be your IELTS exam, but there are instances or NBC essentially can accept a letter from the school that you attended confirming that the language of communications or teaching within the school that you have attended is English, and this letter can be accepted by NBCC as your proof of language. The third step is for you to review your tuition fee and other international fees. This is all about money, money, money. The tuition fee for the fall term is about $5,000 and $9,500 for the whole year. But it does not end there, guys. On top of this tuition fees are the mandatory fees, and these mandatory fees are as follows. This is required before submitting your application online. The fourth step is when you are accepted. As soon as you are accepted, you absolutely have to confirm that acceptance, and if you fail to confirm it immediately, this will expire and your seat will be provided to another student, and you do not want that to happen. So confirm your acceptance immediately, apply for student permit, and the third one is review the checklist for accepted students, which is the website here. The fifth step that you have to consider when it comes to being an international student at NBCC is to review and plan your finances. See, finances is not just the tuition fee, it's not just the mandatory fees. Finances, it is also your food, it is also your mobile plan package every month, your internet, your transportation, your shoes for winter, your shoes for the summer season, your jackets for the winter season. And the winter season here, we can go up to minus 25 degrees. It can be absolutely brutal. The nits and bits and the small stuff can certainly and should certainly be included in your budgeting, and this small stuff can truly balloon your financial planning to a certain point. You have to consider those and be always aware to provide a certain cushion on your financial budgeting or your financial planning. The sixth step is for you to review the COVID-19 travel. The seventh step that you have to consider to be successful on being an NBCC international student is technology. NBCC have got certain specifications when it comes to technology. Because of the onset of COVID-19, many and majority really of the programs were delivered online, and therefore the specifications are available on this link here. And the last one, when everything done and dusted, when you have got your study or student permit and you are ready to get going, is find a place to live. You have to find an apartment to live here in the province, and I will have to caution you here because finding an apartment these days can be truly cumbersome. There are a lot of renters looking for a place, and there is not enough supply for apartments. Now, if you are a single person looking for an apartment, it will certainly make sense for you to look for a room, and there are various Facebook page that you can scour and message people and look for a room. There is also Kijiji that you can have a look. You have the option to look and see Keelam Properties and Northview Properties. And it will certainly make sense for you to keep your location absolutely near. The proximity is absolutely important here. Traveling here without a car is not easy at all. So you have... that's Tofi. Tofi. So and if you are a student, having a car, it can be quite expensive. And there are important dates, timelines, information for students at NBCC, and that information is available here. And I will also link that in the description box. So guys, thank you again for watching this video. This is the little guy who was barking a while ago from my tribe, and this is Rice's tribe. Thank you very much. If you want to see more of these buddies, and if you want to know more information about New Brunswick and Atlantic Canada as a whole, please like and subscribe to this channel. I look forward to see you in my next video.